Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable pop-ups in the Microsoft Edge web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, launch Edge on your device, like a Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or a laptop. And after that, click into these three dots here in the top right corner of the browser. Next, navigate to Settings here. Inside your settings, click into this Privacy, Search and Services tab to the left. And from there, navigate to Site Permissions. Here, select All Permissions. And here, guys, you will see pop-ups and redirects here in that section. So as you can see, they are currently blocked for me. I'm going to keep them blocked. But if you would like to enable them, simply switch on or switch off, I should rather say, this option here to unblock them. And that's it. You may also set up a customized behavior or rule here. For example, add exceptional rule to as a site, for example, you don't want to allow to send you these pop-ups, but at the same time keeping them allowed in general, or vice versa, allow them but not allow them, but give specific sites an exceptional permission to allow them to send you these pop-ups and redirects. So simply click into this button here and enter the URL of the website for the customized behavior and click into Add to confirm that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.